nachdem man eingeführt hat. Ich fasse vielleicht rasch zusammen im November 2004.
Alright, so we just pulled into my new hotel. It's the Hilton, and I hotwired it for an amazing deal. And that's part of the reason why I want to show you what it has to offer for the value, and you're probably going to be surprised. How did you get, a rate like this in Switzerland? Yeah, so I am actually kind of close to the airport. I don't know if that helps usually, but maybe there's more hotels in the area, more competition. But I was able to stay in a 4 / borderline, 5 star. I would say a solid 4 star hotel. And right outside the hotel, you got cars like this, so it's not terrible. Um, yeah, I was just walking. Maybe I think there was some sort of luxury car shop right next door. Was I booked a hotel with some other hotel called Apart Hotel that I guess they shut down due to COVID restrictions or regulations, and Hilton just kind of took over the reservations. So yeah, I ended up paying like $80 equivalent to stay in a hotel, a really nice 4 star hotel, which is, I looked at the prices for this Hilton, typically it's like 127 Swiss francs, so it'd be equivalent to like $140 or something like that. All right, guys. Yep, I will head out to the city to see my Slovak hockey buddy from my hockey days, and he's a coach now for a Swiss team called HC Davos. He coaches the under-20 team, which is it's like coaching the Los Angeles Kings under-20 team, so it's pretty prestigious. All right, guys. See you soon. Here with my buddy Dennis. I was telling you about, the hockey coach in Switzerland. We're here in the middle of Zurich at this beautiful park. It's really nice, and I'm catching up with him. And all right, check out the spot.
1.5 months, I get relaxed.
What do you think, Dennis?
Pretty cool.
Spectacular. Yeah, so we could post up and just take off. Yeah, so beautiful sights, as you can see, very relaxing, beautiful beach day. I'm sure some of you are wondering, why is no one wearing a mask? In case you were wondering, whatever the case. This took place in September of 2020, which is very much in the midst of the pandemic, right? But at that time, Switzerland had it very much under control. They had some of the lowest recorded cases. That, I think Sweden was up there too. And there weren't a lot of outsiders coming in and out. I was pretty lucky to be there. Look at this. It's like 7:30 p.m. and people are still going out in the water. Party city out here. Good old Switzerland. I know, right? We just look, they're playing soccer. Yeah, this is the dream out here. Bro, this is the freaking dream right here, dude. It's like a utopian world, huh? Huh?
All right, so me and Dennis are about to grab a bite here. This place is called, what's it called, Sambuca or some shit? I don't know, but Samigo. It's a really cool, like, 90s themed bar patio. Right on the lake.
So Dennis and I decided to just sit down, have a beer and some pizza. And in the meantime, while I was waiting for the food, I did a little tour.
All right, check out this cool restaurant. Interior. Guess who that is?
Okay, and now we're back in the main square, downtown financial district area. I'm just soaking in more of the night vibes, walking into a lot of cool establishments. And here's some pictures of the traditional cuisine, which is very important. Music, cuisine, right? All part of the big culture. And I'm just trying to, capture the Friday night vibes. So we'll just be taking a candid stroll around town.
Here we go.
And yeah, see what you see.
Not one crappy car. Wow, look at this courtyard. This is a really cool establishment. You would think that the coronavirus doesn't exist here, right? Like it's over. Well, let's cut through here. That is the lake. Oh, I went out of it. I feel like I went into a time portal. I don't know if this is like their Beverly Hills or what, but it's Jesus. It's a million times better than Beverly Hills can ever be, even on its best day. Ooh, that's really cool. Chuck Berry. Vinyls, Johnny Cash. Damn. Look at this building, guys. Flex. And then it leads to the mountain in the back. Jeez. Crazy place, eh? You guys haven't seen anything. Y'all haven't even seen the lake yet. Alright, so we're headed to the lake, getting closer. This place is like, it's still beautiful at this time. By the way, the weather is like, I don't know, 80 degrees. It's perfect. They're doing some free salsa dancing here. There's like cafes and stuff over there too. This city runs like a Swiss clock or a Swiss watch, dude. Like everything is just everything. The transportation, the people, everything is just in sequence. It's really interesting. Never seen it before. There's like a little lakeshore run. This wraps around the whole entire lake. That's the Rosa, right? This place is like a fairy tale, even at night. Leaving Zurich, I definitely will miss this place. Heaven on earth.